Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is SKMEI 1335 and sorry I mistakenly called it 1355 in my previous review video. And in this video I will show you how to do the basic settings. So let's start. First, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press and hold the mode button until it gives a beeping sound and then jump to the time mode. Okay, next you can change the time format using the top right button. So this one is the 24-hour format and this one is the 12-hour format. Okay, and then next we will set the time and date, and to do that press and hold the lower right button, this one. Okay, and now the second is flashing or blinking, and you can reset the second using the top right button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Like this. Okay, now press the mode button on the lower left, this one. And we will set, this is the hour. And we can use the top right button to cycle the value. So this one 16 and then 17 and so on. And you cannot set lower, but you can cycle through. So 21, 22, 23, 0, 1, 2 and so on. So let me set back to 16. Okay, wait, 5, 6, okay, and then next press the mode button and now we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, use the top right button to cycle the value. So let me set as 5, but we can press and hold to speed up the process. So this one 30, 40, 50, and then okay, let me set as 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then next press the mode button and now we are setting the year. For the year also the same thing, you can use the top right button like this to cycle the value. But if it is already passing the number that you want, for example right now I want to set as 2026, you can press the top right button, so it will cycle through after 2099 back to 2000. Wait, might take a while. Okay, 60, 70, 80, wait, 90, 99, and then 2000. Okay, then let me set to 2026. Okay, now press the mode button and now we are setting the month. For the month also the top right button, so let me set as 5, 3, 4, 5. And then press the mode button and now is the date, also the same button, top right. Let me set as 12. Press and hold and then one by one. Okay, and then press the mode button and now back to the setting of the second. If you're done with the settings, you can press the lower right button and done. For the day of the week, it will be calculated by the watch itself. It is pre-programmed up to 2099. And that's all for these basic settings. I will also make the more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Have a great day.